So for this video, I'm going to show you how to install memory into a motherboard. I've got these two gorgeous looking strips here, which are 8 gig strips, total of 16. They are made by ADATA and it's their XPG range. This stick in particular is a DDR4 3000 megahertz. I'm going to be installing that into my testbed and I'm going to show you how to do that process. So on your motherboard, you locate these strips. A lot of motherboards have multiple strips. This motherboard only has 2, so I can run 2 sticks. At the one side of the mounting, you'll find that there's 2 clips. On older motherboards, you have a clip at either side, and most modern motherboards, it's just the one side. So what you want to do is you want to unclip, push them back, get your memory, make sure that the notch in the middle of the memory lines up with the notch on the board, insert it into the one side at a slight angle, locate it into the other. Then as you push down and apply a bit of pressure, the memory should clip into place and the clip will be retracted in, and that's it.